speaking of the budget, you're also calling for the resignation of Budget Secretary Amenah Pangandaman. Why?
Well, alam niya yun eh.
Uh-huh.
So, in 2024, December, nag-open letter ako to the President to veto yung defunding. Ngayon, sa tingin mo ba, meron dun pictures na nag-meeting sa cabinet. On the right, you have Secretary Recto, and then Secretary Amenah, and then the President na nakatalikod sa camera. On the right was Secretary Bersamin. And then you have Secretary Bonoan, and then Secretary Balisacan. So economic managers yun.
Yes, correct.
Pinirmahan ang budget December 30. So that picture was taken December 26. Now, zero ang budget for PhilHealth. Ni-retain nila, hindi binito. Binawasan ng education ng 30 billion. But they allowed 540 billion insertion sa DPWH. And later on, napag-alaman natin the conflict of interest of Secretary Bonoan. And therefore, alam ni Secretary Recto yun as DOF Secretary. Alam din ni Secretary Amenah. And even the President knew it. Kasi alam naman niya na sasakit ang loob ng tao eh.